Hey everyone, and welcome to the overview of the Lusive Arts music production course. As you're probably aware by now, we'll be using Ableton Live, which is the program you can see here. Everything I do inside of Ableton Live with you will be using Ableton's native instruments and also its native samples, which are available from the packs. If you don't have all the packs, I do recommend you head to the website and download them all, but they're not necessary for you to complete this course. You can use your own samples, obviously, it's quite interchangeable. You're going to be making your own tracks anyway. But yeah, you won't need any third-party plugins or anything like that, so don't worry, it'll all be using what comes with Ableton out of the box. Just as a side note as well, it doesn't actually matter what kind of music you make when you're doing this course, so don't think it's strictly electronic. You can adapt these techniques that I teach you to any genre, from pop to rock to hip-hop to EDM, dance, techno, whatever it may be. I'm sure you'll get a lot out of this course. Just to give you a little introduction about myself, my name's Eugene and I've been producing for about 8 or 9 years now in Ableton Live. I started out like most with YouTube tutorials and then went through a whole series of organised teaching, did a few courses in different disciplines of music production. So I learnt about music theory, mixing, mastering, the creative process, and even just learning from other producers and picking up tips from them. So basically I'm just collecting all that information and putting it into this one resource, which is something I've wanted to do for a long time. Yeah, I feel like there's a lot out there resource-wise when it comes to music production. And looking back, I didn't actually realise at the time, but I did have a lot of gaps in my knowledge. So in the earlier days, I just started on YouTube tutorials and I'd kind of just watch the videos that I wanted to watch. And it wasn't until I actually went through a proper Ableton course that I realized, oh wow, like I've actually missed out on a lot of information. There's a lot of things, simple things that I didn't know you could do. But yeah, here you are, and obviously if you're listening to this, you've taken the first big step towards your music production journey. In this 10 weeks, you'll be learning everything you need to make a track from start to finish, which includes the beat, bass, melody, leads, synths, sound design, mixing, mastering, audio effects. Basically everything you need to be on your way to becoming a producer, to be able to get those songs out of your head and into a listenable form, which is what we're all here for. Just as a side note, I am teaching in Ableton Live 10, so if you are watching this and you're in 11, or 11's about to be released, everything will still transfer over. It'll be exactly the same, just with the exception of maybe a few new features, which I'll cover in a future video anyway, which you'll of course have access to for free. So yeah, I hope you're looking forward to the course, and I will see you in the next video.